Lonzo Ball versus Dennis Smith Jr. This is their first meeting of their careers. Smith Jr. He had 23 points in this game, including this slam here in the second quarter. Lonzo Ball had 9 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists. There he goes again, he's slashing. He thought about the slam, but then showed some mercy. Now it's time for Lonzo to show us what he's got. A 3 in the corner, splash. Look at that rainbow release. Then in transition, he's gonna get the assist to Kuzma, who pulls off the Euro step. The Lakers, they're on a 3-game winning streak. 8 seconds, they're up by 2. Harrison Barnes banks it off the glass. With 5 seconds remaining, we're going to overtime. In overtime, Lonzo working in the post on Smith Jr. Scores in the clutch. When Lonzo realizes that he can bully people down low, it's going to be an issue for NBA players. He misses that layup badly, but Randall cleans up the mess. Lakers win 4 in a row. Why would he save it? I'm diving, baby. Look at that hustle. I'm diving like a boss. I deserve something for that. What do I deserve for that hustle? Spin move all the way. Oh, I made it. I was looking comfortable on that floor. Give that guy a pillow. We're starting to pull away a little.